How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to talk about how to make someone get the chills. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. This is super easy to do, you guys. Like giving someone the chills, giving them the shivers, all that. It's actually super easy to do. Here's what you need to do. There's 3 things to give someone the chills or to get someone the chills. The first one is a massage. Now, a lot of people, what they'll do when they give a massage is they'll use their hands really aggressively or really hard. To give someone the chills, all you do is you use your fingers very gently and you barely touch their back. Their back is the easiest thing to give someone the chills. So all you do is you go super light, kind of like you're making like a waterfall kind of thing with your hand. So go very gently, barely touching their back. You'll give someone the chills. That is the simplest way. And the back is very sensitive. So I recommend the back. The second thing, hair touch. Touching someone's hair super gently like this, just rubbing it, not hard like this, don't do that, but just gently touching someone's hair. Hair play, touching someone's hair is very common for giving someone the chills. A lot of people do this. It feels really good. And even just doing it myself, it feels nice. So that's the second way. The third way, and this might seem a little bit weird, but the third way is talking really quietly, whispering in someone's ear. That has also been known to give someone the chills. People have done that to me. They've whispered in my ear and boom, you get the chills. Those are 3 different ways to make someone get the chills, and all of them work. So pick one, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.